Welcome. If you want to create a graph that has three trend lines on one set of common axes, here's how you do it. This is an example where three students, Johnny, Sarah, and Zoe, were tracking their displacement over time. So basically they were racing each other. First thing you do is enter your x-axis independent data time in the first column, and then all your dependent data or y-axis data displacement for the other students. There could be 3, 5, it doesn't matter. Once you enter the data, simply click and drag all of the values, the numbers including the headers that you put in the column. And then you're telling the computer to insert that data into a chart. Insert chart. Choose the chart header, scatter plot, first scatter option. It'll automatically give you a color-coded legend for the three students. Here you can see it on the right to preview it. It'll scale it for you. Let's insert that. If you click on the chart, you now can edit it and click the area that you want to edit. I prefer to move it to its own sheet. Makes it a little easier to view it so you can edit it. Now you have these options up here such as advanced edit. Let's title it distance, or you could say displacement versus time. I'll just say 3 students racing. The horizontal axis is our independent variable time, measured in seconds. Put the unit in parentheses. The vertical axis on the left side is the displacement or distance covered, measured in units of meters. And we will update. All 3 are here, including your names and your legend. You can always select data points by clicking on them, or even the cells in your graph if you want to edit them within the graph. You can select them, the titles if you have a typo, the legend, you may do that as well. And then once you're done, you can either copy this chart into another document or publish the chart. And if you publish it, you can put it into an HTML form if you want to copy a script, which I will not do. It automatically saves into your Google Docs file. And if you want to go back to the previous sheet, because we published this as a chart, if you go back to sheet 1 here, now you have your spreadsheet of your data. You change any of the data in here. For example, let's say I had Sarah here jump to 20 here. When I go to the chart, here's Sarah in red, just jumped up to 20, went a little higher. If you go back to the sheet, you want to make some alterations to any other values, you can do that and it'll be imported automatically into your graph.